Hi, this is a short 10 minutes morning wake up practice to help you get your body moving. So find a nice comfortable seat on your mat and sit up nice and tall. You're going to take a breath in, take the shoulders up, exhale to glide them down, inhale to take them up, exhale, take them down, inhale to glide them up, exhale, take them down, inhale, take your arms up, exhale, take the right hand down, come into a side bend with the left. To turn your chest up to the sky, if that feels okay. Turn it down, turn it up, and turn it back down. Take a big breath in to come up, and we'll come to the other side. So we're taking the right hand up and over. So inhale to look up, exhale to look down. Inhale to look up, exhale looking down. Inhale to come all the way back up. Take your fingertips behind you and sit up nice and tall. Going to lift the left arm and take it to the outside of the right leg for a twist. The right hand stays where it is. You can look over to the right. So just a gentle twist. You don't need to go too far. We don't need to take it into the neck. Try to think about your shoulders staying even, so not having them up like that. And we're twisting from the mid-back. So another inhale here. And exhale all the air out. And we'll inhale to come back to center. Take your hands behind you, fingertips on the floor. Lift the right arm this time, and it comes to the outside of the left leg. So we're coming into the twist on the other side. So notice if this side feels a bit different, if it feels looser, tighter, wherever, and just let it be what it actually is. Take a big breath in, and exhale to come back to center. Take your hands behind you, and then we'll take them out in front and we'll interlace the fingers. So we're just going to give the wrists a bit of a figure 8 movement. Take the palms away, turn them away from you, and then press your spine back, taking your chin down towards your chest. So rounding the back. Inhale to come up. Take your arms all the way up. Exhale to come down. Rounding the spine. Inhale to come up. Take the arms up if that feels okay. Exhale to come down. Inhale to come up. Exhale to come down. And then we'll take the hands back behind the back. Interlace your fingers if that feels okay for your spine. Pull your palms together. Your fingertips down towards the floor. Maybe they get there, maybe they don't. That's absolutely fine. Just stretching across the front of the shoulders and into the spine. Inhale to expand the chest. Exhale to let go. So we're going to come to a wee spinal rotation. So we're going to take hands on the knees and the torso goes over to the right, back. So you're rounding your spine again and comes all the way over to the left. And you're coming round and arching your back. So we're going round in a wee circle, like we would as if we were doing a hula hoop. And we're just taking it slowly. So this is you articulating into the spine, getting a bit more movement. We'll do one more in this direction, and then we'll change to the opposite direction. So all the way around, and then we'll take it back. So notice where you're feeling this in your spine, in your side body, maybe in your arms or your hips. This is working into a lot of different areas. And we'll do one more. And then we'll come all the way back up. So take your arms out in front of you. And we're going to take the right arm over the left and give yourself a hug. So hugs are important. So we're going to stay here, shoulders are down. And if this feels great for you, stay there. If you want to take it a bit further, take the right arm out and then the left. And we're in eagle arms, the right arm on the top. So we're keeping our shoulders down, lifting our elbows up. Maybe you're palm to palm. Maybe your fingers are catching. Maybe you're here. Wherever you are is absolutely fine. Just breathe. Allow the shoulders to help drop down, lengthen the spine. Allow your elbows to lift. Take a big breath in. And exhale, take your arms behind you again. Hold on to opposite wrists or opposite forearms and have a stretch in your back. And then we'll come back to the front. Take your hug with the left arm over the top. Really feel whatever feels good here. And again, you can stay here with the hug position, or you can take the left arm up and the right and come to your eagle arms on the other side. So you'll find one side feels very different from the other. Totally fine. Go with it. Relax the shoulders, lengthen the neck, allow the elbows to lift. Smile. Feel yourself sinking into the stretch, into your yoga. Take a big breath in. As you exhale, take the arms behind your back again and have another shoulders, upper body stretch. Maybe this time come forwards a little bit. Maybe you're staying here. And then release. I'm going to take the right hand and you're going to sit on it. And then we're going to take the left hand over. So the left fingertips are touching my right ear. And I'm taking my left ear down towards my left shoulder. So it's a very gentle stretch. I'm not pushing. I'm not pulling. Just allowing gravity, the weight of my hand, to help get a bit of a neck stretch on the right side of my neck. Now I'm going to take my hand to the back of my head and I'm looking down to my knee. I'm tucking my chin into my chest and I'm changing the stretch ever so slightly to more towards the back and the side of the neck. So take it easy with your neck here. It doesn't have to look like my stretch. Inhale to come all the way up and we'll take it to the other side. So I'm sitting on my left hand, my right hand comes up, right fingertips to the left ear and taking it down to the side. So trying to sit up tall while you're doing this. Watching your breath. Allowing the stretch to be what it is. And then we'll take the hand onto the back of the head. We'll look down towards the right knee. Changing the stretch just that little bit. Breathing. Smiling. Relaxing. And inhale to come all the way back up. Take your hands onto the backs of your knees, palms up. Sit with a nice tall spine. Take the fingertips in front of you. We're going to come into a bit of a forward fold. So this is going to look different for everyone. Maybe you're going to get to here. Maybe you're going to be here. Wherever you are is absolutely fine. Just inhale to lengthen the spine and exhale to relax. So the hips are heavy into the floor. I'm not thinking about the head coming down. We're thinking about the head going forwards. Inhale to walk the hands back. Swap your legs. So the opposite one is in front. Sit up tall again. And then as you exhale, come forwards. Breathe. Smile. Relax. Inhale to come all the way back up. Take your hands together at your heart. Then lift them up to your forehead to remind you to have kind thoughts, to your lips to remind you to have kind words, to your heart to remind you to be kind to yourself. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.